Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming essentials, the Philips Norelco shaving heads and the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades. Get ready because things are about to get hairy. Let's start with everyone's favorite topic, price. The Philips Norelco shaving heads come in at a cool $24, while the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades will set you back $34. Now, before you start screaming robbery, let's dive deeper into what you get for your hard-earned cash. When it comes to durability, the shaving heads claim to cut a whopping 4.5 million hairs on your face within a year. That's more hairs than you can count. On the other hand, the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades boast 3 blades that can last up to 12 months. So whether you're a lumberjack or a clean-shaven gentleman, both products have you covered. Now, let's talk about performance. The shaving heads are equipped with genuine comfort cut technology made in the Netherlands. They provide a smooth and comfortable shave, leaving your skin feeling as fresh as a daisy. Meanwhile, the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are like the Swiss Army knife of grooming. They trim, edge, and shave any length of hair, making them perfect for the man who likes to switch it up. Versatility, the spice of life. The shaving heads are compatible with Series 3000, 2000, 1000, and Click and Style shavers. So if you're a loyal fan of these series, you're in luck. On the other side of the ring, the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades can be used dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. Talk about convenience. Now let's dig into those extra features. The shaving heads come with 3 replacements, ensuring you'll be smooth-faced for a long time. But hold your horses because the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades also include 3 replacement blades. It's like getting a bonus in your grooming arsenal. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Philips Norelco shaving heads for their smooth shave and good fit, while the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are highly recommended for their durability, ease of replacement, and consistent performance. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and what you value most in a grooming experience. And that's a wrap, folks. Both the Philips Norelco shaving heads and the Genuine OneBlade replacement blades have their strengths and quirks. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and what you value most in a grooming experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, stay sharp and happy grooming.